Hey guys, let's talk about how to remove the base plate from a ring door camera. This one doesn't come with any instructions. Here you see that I have this base and there is no screws to remove. If you have one screw, you just need to remove it and then you can remove the base plate, right? This one you just need to push this down. You see here there's this information up. You just move in the opposite direction here, right? You can use your finger or you can use a tool like this one, for example. Scraper or screwdriver. Okay, you can just put it here and push it down that way. Okay, I'm just try using my fingers here. See that I can just put it here and push down and it removes, right? You see here there's this connector here, there's thing here that goes under here. You see it? That's why you need to push in the opposite direction. So when you put this back, see that goes there, and you do this to mount it in place. See it? It looks very simple, right? But sometimes it's super hard to remove. Then you need to use a tool or push pretty hard with your finger like this, and then you just remove it. All right? I hope this helps. So please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.